I love lemon meringue, but I feel like I like this like somewhat even better.
What did you name it and why?
We named it.
Well, they look very similar to like little Alfonso mangoes.
It's a smallish mango. It's about the size of some of the ice cream mangoes, but I know it's delicious.
What do you think?
It's very good.
Yeah,
What did it taste like?
It tastes like lemon meringue.
Hello, everybody. Welcome. This exciting time. The Mango Festival is about to come up here in a couple of days. And last year, somebody brought a mango to the festival that was absolutely amazing. And we did a video of the tree a couple of months ago, but now the mangoes are ripe. And the exciting news is we're going to taste one today. But the real exciting news is we picked enough the other day off the tree where we're going to have them at the festival for sale. So that's going to be really amazing. So this is what it looks like. And the name has been revealed. I'm going to leave the video. I'm not going to tell you what the name is. I'll leave it on the video so you can see here in the clip. But we're going to taste this today. Now, what was excited about this was it tastes like a lemon meringue mango, but we know it's not from lemon meringue lineage because that came from Myanmar many years after this was probably planted. So today, with my wife, we're going to taste lemon meringue. And we're going to taste this new mango, which I know the name now, but you got to watch the rest of the video to see that.
It's a secret.
So first, let's try lemon meringue and compare the two. So we'll try. And we have lemon meringue trees here. And then let me cut this one here. So there is a color difference in the two. So the lemon meringue is darker than this one. And one's small and round and one's kind of oval shaped. You love lemon meringue, right?
I love it.
Let me try the lemon meringue.
So good.
Pure lemon.
So good.
Amazing. So now,
It's like eating a lemon meringue pie.
yes. So here's a new one that supposedly it tastes like lemon meringue. But we'll determine that now.
Similar.
Very similar. It's more complex flavor to this one. The lemon meringue is just straight up lemon meringue. This one has more of a, I think, of a fruit salad. More of a fruit salad. I could definitely.
That one's really good too.
Really good. I could definitely see somebody being satisfied with a tree of these. Now, we don't know much about the history in terms of how productive. I mean, it's very productive, the one that's there now. But that's really good. Very fruity.
Like I love lemon meringue, but I feel like I like this like somewhat even better.
Yeah, I eat a lot of mangoes, and I think on lemon meringue, if you have too many, you can be like, okay, I had enough. This is just like one flavor. It's just straight lemon. And
But sugar lemon.
Sugar lemon, but this other mango is a lot more complex where I think if you wanted to, you could eat it more, enjoy it more almost because it's sweet. They're both very sweet. Oh. We'll cut that. They're both very sweet. And that's exciting.
Yeah, I like this one much better.
Much better. Wow.
This is like a 50 out of 10. I really like them.
Now, last year, Lisa had brought in this to the festival at our Identify Your Mango to see what it was, if it was a seedling, what variety it might be, or just if it's not a seedling, what is it? And we determined we couldn't find, I say me, really Alex and Chris, who are the mango experts, they don't know any other mango that's like this. So they can't say, well, that's that, or something. So it's an own new mango. And I'm going to play a video here of yesterday when we went to go and pick these, and you could hear what she named the mango. But the good news is, this year at the Mango Festival, we're gonna have a bring your mango to identify booth again, so you can come there again and get it identified. All right, so this is my neighbor Alexis, and he's gonna taste this. What do you think of the way it looks?
It's a tiny little mango. I would have to say it doesn't look like much, but I didn't think much of the 4026, and that's ridiculous. Very classic smelling. It tastes like peach. It's amazing. Wow. It doesn't look like much, but this is really good. I can see why Alex pointed this out. Oh my gosh. That is delicious. Does it have a name yet?
It does have a name. You got to see the rest of the video.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm looking forward to that.
All righty.
Thank you.
Thank you. So Alex, here we are at the tree in Boca, and what's your thought of the way the mango's looking?
Well, they look very similar to like little Alfonso mangoes. And they're roughly the same size. You can see the physical similarity. Some of these are, that's real tiny, but I think this is more typical size. So.
Do you see any known possible disease on that?
Well,
does it look susceptible?
There's like an anthracnose spot here. So a little bit of tear stain anthracnose here and there. Nothing, nothing that's you wouldn't see on a lot of other mangoes. So.
Sure. Well, this is exciting.
Too little to draw any conclusions.
Yeah. Vince, do you have a knife?
Oh gosh, no. We're taking a
So what? Hi, Chris.
Hey.
So when did the season start for these? When they started dropping?
They started dropping like a month ago, but now we're really getting into the full season, and they're ripe and they taste great.
So they taste just as good now as they have every year.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
So today's June 21st, 22nd, June 22nd. Here's the tree. And Chris, have you seen these before? The way they looked?
Yeah.
What's your thought about the size and how they look?
Well, I mean, it's a smallish mango. It's about the size of some of the ice cream mangoes, but I know it's delicious.
Yes. All right.
All right, Vince gave us his knife, so.
All right, let's try out first. And then she named the mango. Do we want her to announce it, or do you want me to tell you? Yes.
Should probably wash these.
You want to wash it? I got water.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna have you officially name it on air. So this, what did you name it and why?
We named it the Meisner Mango in honor of Addison Meisner, who developed this neighborhood and who built this house, and just to, I don't know, honor the history of Boca Raton.
Okay.
That's funny because my older daughter was, I was sharing about all this stuff and whatever, and that you were trying to think of a name for the mango, and she says, I think it should be the Meisner mango.
Oh, okay, that's great.
So,
good name.
Think alike, I guess.
Yes. And did she come up with that on her own?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
All right, the first Meisner mango that the.
Okay, call it the Meisner, huh?
How's the color on that?
Pretty nice. It's like a pale yellow. It's not a dark yellow.
It's good.
What do you think?
It's very good.
Yeah,
What did it taste like?
It tastes like lemon meringue.
All right.
Very good.
The first time I tasted it, it hit me as being a much more complex flavor than the lemon meringue. It certainly is lemon, but some other things going on with it too. So it could be, very.
I introduce you to the first winner of the Florida Mango Festival identification. This is the Meisner Mango, a newly named mango from Boca Raton, Florida. Come and taste it. The Meisner Mango. And these will be for sale at the festival. We only have limited variety at the Mango Festival booth. Alrighty. So if you want to identify a mango, you don't know what it is, you can bring yours. There were many submissions last year, but this one was the winner. Now, the good news is yesterday when we picked these mangoes, there was many, and we're going to have them at the Mango Festival for sale. We are still limited. I think we got like 2 banana boxes full, but we're still limited. But another reason to come to our Mango Festival, the Florida Mango Festival, to taste this amazing mango. So now, if you let it sit, I don't know how the shelf life is. I know the shelf life on the lemon meringue isn't long. If you let it sit too long, it definitely doesn't do good in the refrigerator. And if you let it sit too long, it gets really jelly,
squishy.
like a squishy. But here's one. These weren't refrigerated at all. Of this new mango. There you go.
So why did this one win? Purely because of the taste, or
purely the taste? Because a lot of the submissions were just old mangoes that people didn't know, like a Hayden or something, and or they weren't. If they were a seedling, they weren't that good.
This is so good. Look, I would be happy if we had just this mango all over our yard. So good.
It has a fruit cocktail taste. Or I wouldn't be happy with just this one because it's on the smaller side.
That's the only negative, kind of, I think.
But it's definitely delicious. Depending when you're watching this, the Mango Festival might have already passed. But I'll keep you up to date when these will be available for nurseries that might be grafting them. Definitely.
This one's a little bit more riper. You can taste a slight difference.
A slight difference. Very sweet. Just a different flavor complex. What do you think? Better or worse, that one?
I wouldn't say worse, but I like the other one better.
Just different. Okay.
Yeah.
Alrighty. So now you know the name. Meisner Mango from Boca Raton, Florida. Very nice.
Yeah.
All right, everybody. Hope to see you at the Mango Festival if you're going to go. If you're not going to go, we don't want to say that. All right, everybody. And try to grab some of these if you're at the Mango Festival and get some. They'll be for sale, limited amounts. And if you can't make it, stay tuned to my video. Subscribe to my channel to know when these will be released in the future. It's going to be a while, but one day these are going to be popular in the Mango Nursery. So thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you after the festival. Be sure to join us for the 2026 Florida Mango Festival happening in West Palm Beach. Depending when you're watching this, if it passed, we will have more festivals in the future. But right now, go to the website and check out the information, and we hope you can make it to the 2026 Florida Mango Festival. Thank you. The website is floridamangofestival.com.